Right, Aoife. So first thing we did was that kind of weird chromatic scale warm up type thing, right? So obviously not very musical, but it's a really good way to get your fingers moving around the fretboard and kind of teaches you a good bit of awareness of where your pick is relative to the string and all that kind of thing. So we're starting off fifth fret on the sixth string, and since you're just going up fret by fret by fret, and you've got four frets each time, just have a finger for each fret and just kind of have them hanging over. There's no point in starting off like this, and then you have to kind of make a big move to get into position. You might as well just have them hanging over already. So, and always try to use down up picking, right? Because if you're just going down, 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 that'll just limit, how quick you can do it, how smooth you can do it, and all that. So you're just going up by the four frets, then back a fret and down a string, and you do the exact same thing. Okay. Now, when you're going between the third and second string, because it's tuned like this, on the fourth fret as opposed to the fifth fret, like all the other ones, you're not changing fret. You're just staying on the same one. So if you're down here, second fret on the G string, second fret on the next string as well. Then back to normal, then going down a string. So when you get to the top of it, just move up by one and then go back the way you came. So then you should end up just a fret above where you started. So then to go for it again, move up a fret and start all over again. So okay, and remember with this, right? Speed is the last thing you worry about, okay? So get it clear, right? And try and avoid that as well. When you're going down, all the notes should be exactly the same length. So when you're going from one string to another, if you have to take a break in order to get there in time, then slow everything down then. So just go. So if you're doing this like that, just slow it all down so that you can make a smooth transition each time. So and so on and so forth. So as I said, it's not the most musical thing in the world, but it's great for getting your fingers moving. It's my kind of standard warm up routine. So next thing we did was some finger picking. So I'll just go through real quick the Hallelujah chords. So we've done this a good bit now. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. So that 6 is always that in between bass note, the F sharp there. Well, it's B in this case, but we'll call it an F sharp because we'll call this a G. So you've just got. And then for the you don't really care for music, do you? You've got the C for 9 beats, and then the D for 3, right? So an easy way to do that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, double pick there, and then 1, 2, 3. And for the D there, you can do this one if you want, the normal one, but it's a nice colorful way, and it's maybe a bit easier as well, just to kind of shift it up the way. That's what I should have done there. 1, 2, 3, and then you're back to G. Okay, and just be aware of where the bass note is. So like for G, it's here on the sixth string. For the D, fourth string. For the C, fifth, etc. Okay, and then there was just that other little thing, the Spanish triplets. Kind of a bit more of a novelty thing than anything, but it's a lot more simple, or a lot more simple than the fingerstyle on the what's it called, Hallelujah. So it's just thumb, two fingers on the first and second strings, and just get it nice and steady. Okay, so then bass notes that you could add in are 0, 1, 4 on this string. And then maybe 0, 2, 3 and 0, 2, 3 on the next two. Okay, so I'll just show you how that goes all in all. Maybe end with an E7 there. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. So keep practicing. I'll see you next time.